Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Sign into your Google account and confirm two-step verification so access stays secure. Once done, make sure your browser is up to date and your internet connection is stable, because delays disrupt context. You'll open Gemini from the Google app or web interface and pick the model or access level you need. Then set permissions for microphone or files if you plan to speak or upload. These first steps get you into the workspace and ready to interact. Now you focus on crafting prompts and using Gemini's tools. Write clear, specific requests that include the role you want, the desired format, and any constraints. This guides responses. Once done, leverage system messages for tone control, enable memory for continuity, and integrate tools like file upload or browsing when needed. Make sure to iterate, test, evaluate, and refine with follow-up prompts and examples using delimiters so the model interprets structure correctly. These middle steps turn rough results into actionable outputs. Finish by reviewing Gemini's output critically and asking for specific revisions or step-by-step explanations to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, export results by copying, downloading, or saving to Google Drive and connect outputs to other apps if needed. If you run into problems, troubleshoot quickly. Clear browser cache, rephrase the prompt to reduce ambiguity, and verify permissions or API limits. Make sure to test smaller prompts to isolate errors. This single troubleshooting tip usually reveals permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.